Well, here you see the demolition of this lovely old Victorian building here, following its demise. I've just heard from one of the foremen it was quite damp inside, rotten woodwork, etc. Sadly, 90% being demolished now. They are trying to keep the frontage. There's the other side, I believe, just heard, but as you can see, lovely old character building there. Removing some old wood there, without the timber, which is all well rotted. Taking the roof off there as well. They're filling that big container up there with the timber. Just see him pressing that down just now, trying to get as much in there as possible. New building to the right here, HSBC there. Unfortunately they couldn't salvage this, but it'd be lovely if they could have done. And just alongside, in fact, there is another building awaiting the same fate. He said there were office workers working in there, but certainly he said they probably would have had to work one side of the building and the other side was very damp, so very sad state of affairs. Looking down towards Moorhead down there, and the Peace Garden's down that way. Barker's pulled up behind me, up behind John Lewis. Got the car park here. Barker's pulled up that way with the war memorial, etc. The main entrance to John Lewis. As you can see, there's a lot been already knocked down here. See right through there. Well, continuing here in the centre of Sheffield. There we are, a bit of brushing up there. Sadly, a lot of another lovely old Victorian building. Well, certainly had character. All this in the name of modernisation, which sometimes means that in another 10 years' time, certainly buildings like that to the right become very old-fashioned, so they need to be replaced, or perhaps there is another ongoing argument about replacing them, whereas these character buildings here do tend to last the test of time. What they do stand the test of time, as they say. There's a good example here in Sheffield. Very sadly, this one, as they come to the need for modern development in the city centre. Looks like all work stopped at the moment here. All the way down there. Looks like shoring it up a bit there. Perhaps for further demolition work without the risk of anything collapsing. There we are. Big cloud over this demolition of this old Victorian building, which I think goes back to about 1888 or so.